Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets and it takes you a long time to become a good trader. So be smart about the way you're trading. Also, grab a free trial right now to do a brand new Master Trader Lab monthly. We're going to learn every single month. You'll be learning techniques to help you become a much better trader. Click on the first link in the description below right now. Alrighty, hey traders, in this video here we're going to have a look at GDX, which is the gold stocks index. And someone actually asked me, what do I think about the GDX, what's happening with it right now? So I'm going to give you my view on what's going on with the GDX right now. Now, on the very short term basis, what's been happening over the last sort of 1, 2, 3, 4 and a bit months, we've had a very nice upward movement trend, haven't we? Very nice upward movement trend, very high low, bit of a sideways movement, and now we're rallying back up through here. So very sort of choppy, very choppy in the GDX through there, as you can see. But we are starting to slowly rise up. But as you can see, right, look at all this cluster here. If I bring up this volume through here, look at all this cluster through here. As you can see, right, you can see how this cluster is sort of hitting resistance, and it's a cluster of sort of resistance, isn't it? Now, where is that resistance coming from? That resistance is coming from the weekly chart. So as you can see, firstly, what are we doing here in the weekly chart? We've actually created what? If I look at this here, we created a high, some sort of lower high through here, and now we're getting some sort of a lower high, well, could be potentially a lower high through here. So we're at that point right now. Now, where is this point where we are right now? We're at this support level back here and support level back here, as you can see. So if I take everything off the screen and I move my trend line up to that exact point, as you can see, right, that if I bring up you can see how this support level through here, support, is now becoming resistance through here, isn't it? As you can see. So it's coming a lot of resistance. But not only that, if I open up my chart a bit more, you can see my longer term trend line that's coming in and coming into play as well too. So hitting resistance here, hitting resistance here, hitting resistance here, and now it's actually at that point as well too. So for the GDX, if we hold here, if we hold here and we keep moving to the upside, that's going to be a complete game changer, especially if we break above $23. That's going to be breaking above this high up here. So therefore, we're likely to see maybe possibly a bit of a pullback and then probably a nice start to a nice bull run. But right now, as I speak, we are heading down. So therefore, if the market does hold here and we start to head back down again, we could be getting ready for another big drop to the downside. So depending on what happens over the next few weeks, this is a weekly chart we're looking at here right now, but depends on what happens over the next few weeks on GDX. Once again, if we start to break above 23, that's the whole trend changing. The trend right now is down. And so we've been rallying back up, but if we start to get back above, especially the very first sign that things are changing, we start to get back above this resistance here. The confirmation for me is we start to get back above 23, because once we start to get back above 23, that's going to be the level for me. It's like, okay, now we're starting to change trends. So that's what I'm looking through there. And if that does start to happen, then I personally would be looking for long signals as well, and to potentially start to capture a nice big mining bull run. If that's going to happen, I don't know what's going to happen, but if that does start to happen, so that's what I'm looking at through there. As you know, the trading is not an easy thing, right? There's so many areas you need to know in order to become a really good trader. You've got the foundations, you've got the chart reading techniques, you've got the trading systems, and also you've got the mindset and so much more that goes into becoming what I call a master trader. So I've created a program called the Master Trader Lab Monthly, where every single month I'm going to be releasing brand new trainings and help you understand all of the foundations, the chart reading strategies, the mindset techniques, everything that goes into becoming a really good trader. And now I'm giving away a free trial right now for the grand opening, and also I'm giving you a kickstart bonus package as well. The foundation to a successful trader, the chart reading techniques, and the advanced chart reading techniques, millionaire trader mindset, and a bonus package as well too. This is for the grand opening of the Master Trader Lab Monthly. Click on the very first link in the description below right now to claim your free trial right now.